So, andito tayo ngayon sa Cedar Crest, Acacia Estates in Taguig City to check this new foreclosed condo unit. Malapit lang po tayo sa Taguig City Hall, Vista Mall Taguig, and sa BGC and McKinley Hill. So, let's go and check natin yung condo unit. So, this is the unit. 52 square meters, 2 bedrooms. Pagpasok natin, yan, kitchen, over and under cabinets. Medyo maayos pa naman siya. Ang sira lang talaga natin dito is itong bathroom niya. Ayan. So, bumigay siya. Ayan. Ayan, nagtutubig oh. So pag pinaayos nyo yan, baka more or less 100,000 yan. That's why binaba yung presyo nito. Ayan. This is the bedroom 1. May aircon provision. This is 4.2 million. Below market and zonal value na po yun. Yun nga lang talagang may papaayos kayo dito. And this is the bedroom 2. Meron siyang access to the balcony. So yan ang view nyo from your balcony. Second floor lang tayo. Okay? And this is available in cash or at least 10% down payment. And then 90% balance through bank financing plus taxes and fees. So if interesado kayo ditong mag-offer, this is first come first serve, and as is where is, upon turnover, please message us directly.